बच्चे तैयार हैं?
It's so hot. I am so tired, but I must work. Oh no, my ex! What shall I do now? Oh no!
What happened, farmer?
Oh, who are you?
I am the river fairy. What happened?
My ex fell into the river. I have no money. I cannot buy a new ex.
Don't worry, I will help you. Is this your ex?
No, this is a silver ex. It is not mine.
Alright. Is this your ex?
No, this is a golden ex. It is not mine.
Is this your ex?
Oh yes, my ex, my old ex. Thank you very much.
You are a good man. You are so honest. Take the silver ex and the golden ex. They are my gift to you.